Welcome to the channel, everybody, and welcome to this setup. In front of us we have CAD CHF up the top there, 30-minute chart at the moment. And what we have is a nice push away. So I sent this out to my group at around about, what was it, 64.30, this trade, and it's kicked on nicely. I'm not going to give you the details of why that is what my entry was, but I am going to show you how I found the trade and what I was looking for. So let's start on a bigger time frame. Let's start right out there on the weekly. Maybe that's the weekly, yeah. So on the weekly, we've got this humongous ABCD pattern. I mean, this goes back to 2018. A, B equals C, D, with the D point completing just under the body of this green candle. And we're taking this higher. So with the cycle analysis, you've got to identify the two cycles within the trend. And for me, there's one there. I know that looks pretty innocuous. And here's the other one here. So this is one, this is two. We know there's two cycles in the trend and three trends. So you've got trend, trend, trend. We'll leave that for now and just get back to the action. So we have the ABCD. That's the context for us. Big ABCD. Tick. Go to the daily. Let's have a look at the market cycles here. What's happening? So we did have this originally, 1, 2, peak formation, which is still the case. 1, 2, 3. These are all lower lows and lower highs. But notice here, we've got this 1, 2, 3 to the low. That really caught my attention because that means to me that the cycle in this little move here has finished. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a bit bigger because this is ultimately all consolidation as well. And what the market makers have done here is they've split the zone to confuse people with this move here. So we have 1, 2, and this little weird 3, but I like it. It's a weird 3, but I like it. Let's get closer to the action. Right, go down to the hour. What have we got? What have we got? So on the hour we have a really nice. We have a really nice setup. Ultimately, so this is a cycle, isn't it? This zone here. This is another cycle. Hard to see, but not so hard if you have the old chart vision. Now, what do I like about this? So I can identify there's a 1. I can identify there's a 2. So I know that 3 is going to be in our favor. Okay, let's drill down again to the 30. Okay, what do we see on the 30? Well, the 30, this is where you get your harmonics out. So harmonics, what one should I take? Well, it's got to be there to there. That's 1. So that's AB. And CD to here, slightly higher. Now I'm going to go off the body of some of these wicks, not that extreme wick, because the actual close of the candle was lower. So even if we were to say that this is AB equals CD, okay, then we get the Fibonacci tool out. Where is it? Fibonacci tool here. So then if we measure from here to here, we're seeing price coming in at the 61.8. It came in on here and gave it on this. So even if you would have bought the completion point, your stop loss would have only have needed to be 13 pips and the market's moving away. So there we have it. What I really like is we're counting the 1, 2. This becomes 2 at the minute. And we're expecting higher prices. So I hope this video makes some sort of sense. Please subscribe, visit the Melons Trade website, download our free weekly newsletter so you can keep ahead of these type of moves. And I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching.